Hey, welcome back to our channel. Glad to have you here for another session of Python programming. Last time, we got into variables and data types, setting the stage for today's topic. We covered how to label your data and differentiate between data types like ints, floats, strings, and bools. Let's keep the momentum going and dive into something even cooler: operators and expressions. Operators are the tools that let you perform operations on variables and values. Think of them like the gears in a game controller, each one with a specific move. Arithmetic operators. The plus operator is used for adding values. The minus operator is used for subtracting one value from another. The asterisk operator is used for multiplying values. The slash operator is used for dividing one value by another. Comparison operators. The double equals operator checks if two values are equal. The not equal operator checks if two values are not the same. The greater than operator checks if the value on the left is larger than the value on the right. The less than operator checks if the value on the left is smaller than the value on the right. The greater than or equal to operator checks if the value on the left is either larger than or equal to the value on the right. The less than or equal to operator checks if the value on the left is either smaller than or equal to the value on the right. Logical operators, big brain stuff here, and or not. They're all about combining conditions or flipping what they mean. Let's code up a quick example. In this part of the code, we define two variables, sum and product. First, we set sum to be equal to 10 plus 5. This operation adds 10 and 5 together, giving us a result of 15. Next, product is set to be equal to sum multiplied by 2. Since sum is 15, multiplying it by 2 gives us 30. Now let's look at the conditional statements. We check if product is greater than 20 and if sum is less than 20. Since product is 30, which is indeed greater than 20, and sum is 15, which is less than 20, both conditions are true. Because both conditions are met, the program prints math magic to the screen. This snippet shows arithmetic operators creating values, then comparison and logical operators using those values to decide what to print. Using operators in a program. Alright, before we jump into this example, remember that we're focusing on operators right now. In the future, we'll explore how to use conditionals like if and else more deeply. I'll show you a snippet now, and soon you'll fully grasp how this code works. For now, just get a taste. In this code, we work with three variables: score, bonus, and total score. Initially, score is set to 85. This is like saying your starting point or your base score is 85. Bonus is set to 15. This represents an additional amount that you can add to your score. We then calculate total tolerance score by adding score and bonus together. So, total tolerance score equals 85 plus 15, which gives us 100. Now, let's discuss the conditional statements. The code checks if total score is equal to or greater than 100. Here, since total score is exactly 100, the condition is true. Because the condition is true, the program prints "you've earned a bonus" to the screen. If total score had been less than 100, the program would print "try for the bonus next time," indicating that you didn't reach the threshold needed for a bonus. This code snippet showcases how to use addition to calculate a total and how to use a conditional statement to provide feedback based on the total score. More details on operators. So, wrapping up, remember that operators are your toolkit for making decisions and calculations in your code. They let you express logic that's as complex or simple as you need. Keep playing with these, and you'll start seeing how powerful simple lines of code can be. That's our quick tour of operators and expressions in Python. Stick around, practice these, and watch how they level up your coding game. Catch you in the next one.